Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stu's Reviews. There are those of you that watch my stuff already, and you might have noticed something straight away. The image is slightly different, and that is because I've changed cameras. So if you are a regular watcher of Stu's Reviews, leave a comment in the description below letting me know what you think of this new style. I've up-resed, I've sharpened things up, and hopefully everything looks a bit crispier for you. But with that aside, let's move on to the review. Today, I'm going to take a look at this, which is the NORDMÄRKE. God knows how you're supposed to say that in English, but it is a IKEA, that's right, an IKEA wireless charger. IKEA seem to be doing a lot more tech in recent years. Now, it's no secret that I hate almost 80% of everything that comes out of IKEA. However, occasionally they make something incredible. And I'm hoping that this wireless charger is part of that 20% that I don't hate. First things first, let's get it out of the box. Now, iJustine, another tech YouTuber, always uses these horrifically big knives to unbox her videos, and she's always waving her knives about. Well, iJustine, I think my knife is bigger than yours. So I'm going to use this to unbox this. This isn't the safest thing I've ever done. Now, the first thing you notice is that usually wireless chargers have USBs on the end, which means you can use any form of USB plug or plug it directly into your computer. IKEA, in their great wisdom, have decided to put that on the end of it. Now, God knows what that actually is, but it does indeed go into this big, massive, chunky charging thing, which is a bit odd. Okay, that's a negative mark for IKEA there, but let's plug it in and see how it all works. Right, we are plugged in, and there was a light on there for a short period of time. I've just noticed on here as well, there's like a bit of glue or something. This is very IKEA-esque. It doesn't feel like it's built to a high quality, but it doesn't matter. Right, that's plugged in. Let's put the phone on and see if it charges. Yes, it charges. There's probably not much more to say about it because it just works. But, there's a nice little light on the top, which is pointless. I don't know if you managed to see that or not. Hold on. Which is pointless because that light disappears underneath your phone when you've got your phone on it. But it's nice. It's a nice big charger. I mean, I like the style of it. It's neat. It's nice. It's got wood on the outside, which is indefinitely some form of plastic rather than actual wood. Or maybe it is wood, like a wood veneer, much like the rest of IKEA. And the top looks a bit odd because it's a great big plus for no reason whatsoever. Just looks like a giant button. But that's not the point. The point is that this is only 15 quid. And 15 quid is quite cheap for a wireless charger. I'd say on average you're looking at about £20 to £30 at least for a good wireless charger. And this seems to work really nicely. It's definitely of a particular style. I don't know many wooden wireless chargers out there. So I think it does a good job looking well. And in terms of price, 15 quid is not too bad. But don't expect incredible things because, after all, this is just an IKEA charger. Although, saying that, I do love some other IKEA tech. That's right. Hashtag IKEA tech, because that's now a thing. I do love the IKEA TRADFRI range, which is their wireless lighting. And I know a lot of people slate it, but I think it's incredible, especially now that they've brought in things like HomeKit and Alexa support. IKEA TRADFRI is incredible, and I have done a review, and I'll leave that in the link in the description so you can check out that review yourselves. As with this, it's a good buy if you're in IKEA and you need a wireless charger. 15 quid. It's not too bad. And that concludes my review of the IKEA wireless charger. Guys, remember what I said right at the very beginning. This is a brand new format and a new camera, new style. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll see you back for another episode of Stu's Reviews soon. Leave it there for a bit.